Hi, this is Stephanie, head photographer with 3 Studios in Washington, D.C. Today we're going to talk about how to make props for a maternity photo shoot. Now that's very easy because we have a lot of options as far as getting products and materials, such as Michaels, Joann Fabrics. And if you don't want to go that route, you can always go online for really good items to places such as Etsy. Now again, as I mentioned before, you have options at your local stores such as Michaels, where I found this lovely wood carving that says family. And this is something that is really good to use in a maternity photo shoot because it's a budding family. You know, you have a newborn that's coming and they really want to showcase that they are growing into a family unit. And this is always a great option. They also have other wood carvings such as love, happiness, hope. So this is a good way to go as far as maternity props. Another good and popular option is to get ribbons to wrap around the belly or to use for signs, such as this, which you can make from home. And this says coming soon, and we used a cute little ribbon just to tie it all together, and she can hold that with her fingers while you're taking her pictures. And again, these are very inexpensive options that you can basically use to personalize a photo session. Now, as mentioned before, you can go online and you can get things such as scarves or wraps that they can use for the maternity session. You can also go to a toy store and get the little toy alphabet blocks, which is often used to spell out their name. Blocks such as these are a great way to go, again, to personalize the maternity session. Again, this is Stephanie, head photographer with 3 Studios in Washington, D.C., and we just talked about how to make props for a maternity photo session.